Welcome to the Anna Darpan Export-Import Module demo. We will be showcasing the export order settlement workflow process in this demo. Before a commodity release order was created, FCI HQ users would assign specific commodities to various government schemes across states based on distribution requirements. Commodity distribution facilitates the systematic dispatch and delivery of allocated commodities to designated depots or recipients under approved schemes. Divisional office staff logs in and selects Create Export Order under Sales Export and Imports menu. Fill in the details like export license number, destination country, port of loading, port of discharge, shipping agency, expected shipment date, and exporter name. Under Commodity Details, fill the required fields like commodity group, commodity subtype if other than wheat is selected, variety applicable for rice commodity, depot name, party name, and all other required fields. On submission, an export order is created for the selected commodity. Divisional Manager logs in, navigates to Export Order Lists. Click on the Pending tab. Select the created export order from the view. Click on the Approve tick icon to approve the export order. After the approval process, the depot operations begin to issue the commodity. The gate in charge creates the token. Weighbridge in charge selects the shed and capture the empty truck weight. The shed in charge loads the commodity to the truck. The manager QC captures the moisture parameter. The weighbridge in charge captures the out weight of the loaded truck and generates truck chit. Gate in charge generated the exit gate pass. Divisional Manager logs in and navigates to Export Order Settlement under Sales Export and Imports. Selects the export order number, verifies the details, and submits the form with remarks. Manager Depot logs in, navigates to Daily Statement of Issue to view the commodities that are issued, and can generate the report and download the report in various formats. Manager Depot navigates to view shed stacks to view storage utilization and view stack cards by selecting the shed and stack. This concludes the export order settlement demonstration process. Thank you.